Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can block someone in Telegram. So, open up Telegram in your phone. Okay, then go to the list of contacts. Here, I would like to block this one, Narayan Kumar. So, how to block? There are two ways to block. First one is going through his account directly. Okay, so I have here come to this account and click over account and click on these three vertical dots, and here you will see block user. Just click on it and click on block user here, and user will be blocked. Okay, you can also block through list of already blocked users. Okay, so how to do it? For that, what you have to do, go to your Telegram account home page. This is the home page, and click on these three horizontal lines, and here you have to choose settings, and here you have to click on privacy and security, and here you will have blocked users. Already I have blocked just now this one user. Okay, for you demo purpose. Okay, just I click on it, and here already Narayan Kumar blocked. And if you would like to block other user, click on block user here, and you can search user here. Okay, so I am going to block this Nori and just click on block user, and yes, Nori has been added now. Okay, so two ways you can use to block. Okay, one is directly going to the user and blocking, or you can go to the list of user already blocked through the settings, then you can block new user. Okay, suppose if you would like to unblock, just click on the user here and click on unblock user, so that it will be unblocked. Okay, so I have unblocked those two. Those are innocent guys. Just for the demo purpose I blocked. Okay, so if you would like to use actually block some users, intentionally block users, if users are irritating you, if you would like to get angry with some users, just you can go with these methods and just you can block them. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.